But what you didn't witness there was, this is the second lot of fish and chips, because that camera, the big camera, this one's so reliable, but the big camera was crap. I'm Steve and this is the Chippy Tour. I review incognito, so no charging for reviews, no free food for reviews. It's all about promoting and supporting our fish and chip shops nationwide. SwiftOrder are supporting me on this mission to support real, independent Chippies. They're a family-run company helping takeaways offer online ordering without paying commissions. If you'd like to take orders online or you're fed up of paying high fees, SwiftOrder is an easy, reliable platform with one clear, low monthly cost. It's simple to use and it's backed by a UK support team that's always ready to help. It didn't record. That's my fault. I mean, I thought the battery was fully charged. It's got a new battery in. We've got more fish and chips here now. So we're really helping in a big way the fish and chip shop industry by buying 2 lots of fish and chips everywhere we go. Well, just here actually. So, okay, I said in the earlier one, I wasn't keen on the packaging, and that still stands. What I also said was, I felt the batter was a little bit heavy. So we've now got another one. So I can now put that one against that one, can't I? Let's have a little look at that first. Okay. Right, okay, so we're still talking quite a heavy batter, but I said in the first one and I'm saying it now. Let's see. We've also reviewed the mushy peas and curry. Now they say they make their own mushy peas in-house here. Well, they're certainly green. But not overly, not scarily so. Far too much seasoning going on in there. It's a shame. We had the Chinese curry, which is just how Chinese curry should be, smooth. That's nice. Look at that. It's just the way it goes. This is showbiz. You know, what can you say? The mushy peas had flavour hidden away. I know servings were big. Hidden away, and it was overly seasoned, too salty. And I'd even go as far as to say, if food colouring was added, which it must have been to get that colour, maybe a little less. So chips are just as nice as they were the first time round. Right, okay, I'm going to try to put this together as best I can. And it's one of them things, just one of them days, and it's freezing. So it's back to the computer, look at some reviews, a low one, somewhere in the middle, a high one, and mine. So we'll see you there. So let's have a little look at some reviews. 1 star. That's it. 1 star. I think if anybody's going to leave a review, let the shop know what the problems were so that they have chance to correct them or attempt to correct them. 3 star. Chips have been cold when received and sometimes not fully cooked through. Everything else is good. 5 star. I ordered from here a few days ago. Food was lovely. I had fish and chip, burger meal, and a pie and chips with gravy. Everything was spot on and enjoyed by the whole family. Great quality food. Look forward to my next visit. Mine, 3 star. Arriving at the shop, it made an impressive first impression. It's a large, modern chippy set among other contemporary units with plenty of parking. The big glass frontage, inviting seating area, and wonderfully friendly, polite staff all stood out. Potential here is enormous. The cod was a good size, though the batter was very doughy, which was a shame because it had a decent flavour and the fish itself had a subtle taste. The chips were nice and thick with a good flavour, but while they looked cooked on the outside, they did not quite have the ideal combination of crunch and soft centre. The Chinese curry was smooth and delicious. The mushy peas, however, were over-seasoned and somewhat salty, and the bright green colour was a little off-putting. Overall, Partington Fish Bar offers a wide range of food options that will no doubt appeal to many. Cooking in oil, hygiene rating 5, fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.